Hello everyone and welcome to a new YouTube tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn off and stop receiving unwanted or annoying LinkedIn notifications and emails. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step would be to log in to your LinkedIn account. After that, click on your profile picture, settings and privacy, and in the left side of the menu click on notifications and then look for messaging. Alright, from this menu over here we can turn off all types of notifications from LinkedIn, or if you would like to stop receiving a specific type of notifications such as messages or in-mail or message reminders, you can click on that specific type of messages and then turn it off or on however you like. So that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching and see you on the next video.